dengan mengucap Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Pada hari ini, Senin tanggal 15 Februari tahun 2021, jam 9.45 waktu Indonesia Barat, bertempat di Aula Politeknik Pelayaran Malahayati. Saya selaku Kepala Badan Pengembangan SDM Kementerian Perhubungan menyatakan kegiatan soft launching Joyful Learning Excellent Seafarers di lingkungan Badan Pengembangan SDM Perhubungan secara resmi dibuka.
Selanjutnya kepada Kepala BPSDM Perhubungan dan Kapus Bang Laut secara simbolis meletakkan telapak tangan pada dashboard launching yang telah muncul pada layar video disaksikan oleh Direktur Poltekpol Malahayati dan seluruh para hadirin yang mengikuti jalannya acara. Marilah bersama-sama kita menghitung mundur. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kita berikan tepuk tangan atas terlaksananya soft launching Joyful Learning Excellent Seafarer di kampus Poltekpol Malahayati. Kami persilakan para hadirin untuk duduk kembali.
We are the inspiration for the great seafarer.
Why using Joyful Learning for Excellent Seafarer? Simple innovation provide for merchant marine learning material for seafarer, enjoyable, easy to learn, free and easy to access anytime and everywhere. Enjoyable teaching material, provide learning material, provide video education and learning content attractive and adaptive which is interesting to learn. Easy and free to use. Learning content provide the basic theory. Easy to learn, also available on Play Store from your mobile phone or web. Addictive, stakeholder and users satisfied is our top priority. Poltekpol Malahayati team teaching will continue to innovate along with maritime technology advance. Our team will always ready to serve request content, material, as well as question about marine science which are needed from stakeholders or users. Thank you.
Poltekpol Malahayati proudly to be present for Indonesian seafarers. Indonesian seafarers, we can!